Hey boys and girls, we have been talking an awful lot about characters in a story and setting in the story and the plot of a story. And the plot has different events in sequence: first, next, then, finally. But also, not only are there a bunch of events, there's also one big, overarching problem that shows up in a lot of books. I want to give you an example, and then I want you to think about the problem in your book. So we've been reading Gordon Korman's On the Run series, and so many different things have happened. They left the juvenile detention center. They were escaping across the country. They ended up in Vermont. That guy, Hairless Joe, was chasing them. Oh, they had taken a car. They were trying to find Frank Lindenauer. There's so many different events that if I were telling you all the different events in the story. But when I try to think of what the big problem, not only in this book, but in this series, the big problem, what is it that Aiden and Meg are trying to do? What is their problem? Exactly. They want to find Frank Lindenauer and clear their parents' names so they can be freed from jail. They want to prove that their parents are innocent. That's the big problem. How is that problem solved in this book? Well, we don't know yet because we haven't finished the series. But the book that you are reading not only has events, but those events are part of a big problem that kind of shows up throughout your book. I want you to be thinking today of the big problem that's in your book. I've got a bookmark for you. Think about what that big problem is, how many times that it's shown up in your story, and then when you get to the end of the story that you're reading, you should know the solution. You should know how that problem was solved. That generally happens at the end of the book. So you're looking for the problem and the solution in your book today. Take notes on your bookmark.